The incredibly compact mini gaming PC, the SER5 Pro, the latest in the Beelink SER line, comes with 32GB of RAM, hardly ever seen at this price point of $519. And of course, it has a bunch more cool specs we are going to check out in 2 minutes. Details about the products we speak about will be linked in the description. Powered with AMD Ryzen 5600H with 6 cores, 12 threads, with speeds of 3.3 GHz up to 4.2 GHz, which can turn your desk into a powerful workstation. The Beelink SER5 Mini PC can be used for video and photo editing, office tasks, Adobe application, virtualization work, and gaming such as Grand Theft Auto 5, Assassin's Creed Odyssey, Call of Duty, and the list goes on. Installed with a dual channel DDR4, 2 16GB RAM sticks, which is absolutely awesome, 2 accessible memory slots upgradable to 64GB, installed 500GB of M.2 PCLE NVMe 2280 SSD. This mini PC can also run triple monitor display at 4K resolution. The AMD Radeon graphics with 7 cores, 1800MHz speeds can deliver powerful graphics processing, triple 4K at 60Hz display output via HDMI and Type-C, which enable you to multitask easily. This is honestly the ultimate powerhouse. It's easy to set up and very small in size. It has Wi-Fi 6E. Up on screen you can see the difference between the Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E, and the Bluetooth 5.2 is faster and more stable. Beelink SER5 mini computer is equipped with 1 Type-C, 2 HDMI, 3 USB 3.0, 1 USB 2.0, 1 gigabit Ethernet port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. So that is all the ports. The fan design also helps this mini PC efficiently stay cool while you have fun gaming or focusing on the task on hand. It can also be fixed onto the back of the monitor to save you that all-time precious desk space. Overall, the Beelink is a fast and smooth, power-saving mini PC. My thoughts are that you're getting good value with the AMD processor with integrated graphics, and honestly the 32GB DDR4 RAM just makes this a sweeter deal. I would recommend you check out this video up on screen I made on the best gaming PC, which has 3 unique switchable power modes. Take it easy guys, until next time.